Good evening, everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, I have the singular honor to welcome.
Hi everyone, this is LovelyAma. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do henna powder for hair.
Thank you.
So these are the ingredients that I'm going to use as I've showed you in the video. Henna powder, I bought this one. We are going to need olive oil, then black tea, yeah, and then I have my warm water there. And please guys, don't, I was going to use the pencil to mix everything together, but later on I use a spoon. Yeah, so I'm going to pour my black tea inside my henna, and I did a mess there, but don't bother, I'll clean it later, guys. So after putting my black tea in, I'm gonna mix everything together using my pencil, obviously, but as I said, I'll use a spoon afterwards. Yeah, I'll mix everything with a spoon. So I mixed it, and this is how it came. I used only black tea to mix my henna powder. So after I'm done, I'm going to pour my olive oil. Just that, guys, don't use that much like I did in this video, yeah, or else the outcome of this henna, I won't even tell you what this henna came out. So mix everything. This is how it came. You can see that I've put in a lot of oil inside, and it was not good, guys. So after I'm done mixing everything, I'm going to cover it with this plastic bag, let's say it, or no plastic bag, but with this. So guys, after I'm done covering it, I'm going to put it to set for a day. Yeah, I'm going to put it aside for it to set for a day. So this is all for this video, guys. Hope you enjoy it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share with your friends. See you in my next video. Bye. They break off is like before they break off is great